Them praying for me to fall, but Jah, He's gonna make me stronger. You will never see me on the roadside a beg bread. No, no, no. Hey, guys, enough thanks, enough love, enough respect. It no reach this part to reach yet. If you reach yet, I have to go put some more work in it, clean him up, wash him off, the electrical things them still a do, and you know, what it more little work left to do inside. I have to clean out because I tell her then do it bad. So with enough respect, with enough love, thank you for no prayers and thank you for no good words you know, always give me, because guess what? Rodney is not a person who back down, and is not a person who feel. No, 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 no. You praying for me to fall, but Jah gonna make me stronger. Me love that tune there. And guys, you know who sing that tune there? Fantan Moja. Yes, a Fantan Moja sing that tune there. Me I tell her that tune there a bad tune. A big tune. I'm out.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Welcome, 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 my viewers and subscribers. What's going on? How no do? How no stay out there? You know, alright, my people? You no don't know. It's Rodney's. Should I say your boy? No, it's Rodney's Medea. Yeah, man, it's not your boy. It's your information minister. Yes, Rodney's lifestyle. Welcome back, guys. Me the outside, guys. The place hot, bad. Guys, make me say this. You see, in a world where many people takes, when me say a while ago, in a world where many people take, then just want. Everything where you have, then just want it, then just want take. Colaz Smith continue, yeah? Colaz Smith continue to give his kindness, generosity, and his love for people have made him one of, listen, you know, one of the most respected Jamaican content creator up till today date. Yes, man. Colaz Smith is one of the most respectful, content creator out there. And the reason is because Colaz Smith now stop give, will never stop give, and is going to continue giving. I think the brother that will give all in short a last shirt upon him back. I think he will give it, you know. Yeah, man. I think Colaz Smith will give it the last shirt when him have upon him back, and they don't care if he don't have no shirt. I think so. But my viewers and subscribers, what me I talk about is seeing what Colaz Smith a do for Sherdon. Yeah? Colaz Smith, through his subscribers, Colaz Smith buy a bike, and then now Colaz Smith buy a bed for Sherdon. Me not telling a lie. It's a very beautiful, nice look. You see where Colaz Smith a do for Sherdon with the help of his viewers and subscribers. Now, guys, why me start off this video this way is to just to say Colaz a human being. Colaz not perfect, but at the end of the day, Colaz is going out there and do his endeavor best for uplift, for upgrade a person life who need help. Many people don't like that. Many people would never go like Colaz. Many people is going to still hate him no matter what him do. people is going to still not see eye to eye with him. However, can I tell you not to? No, I can't tell you not to. Your opinion is your opinion. What you do and how you feel about Colaz Smith is how you feel. I feel that Colaz Smith is doing a very good job by helping Sherdon with the things that is helping him. But guys, I want to say this to each and every one of you. Are you ready for it? Why is Colaz helping Sherdon in that way? Have any of you asked yourself why is Colaz looking out for Sherdon like how he's looking out for him? Have any of you sit down and said to yourself, I wonder why Colaz help Sherdon so much? I wonder what Colaz see in a Sherdon that him help him so much. By the way, I wonder why Colaz not help that man there, but Colaz help Sherdon. Any of you sit down and say that? Me know whole heap of you say that. Me know a lot of you out there say that. Colaz help that man, I help Sherdon, but he not help that man there. Colaz could have helped that man there, but he not help that man there, he might help Sherdon. Yes, man. Whole heap of you out there say it. Enough people out there say it. But let me help you out. And guys, I am not talking on the behalf of Colaz. Colaz not tell me nothing. Colaz never tell me nothing. This is my opinion. When Colaz see Sherdon, Colaz see a working man, Colaz see a energetic man, Colaz see a man where do not make homeless. Hold him down. You know the song say, no grave can hold my body down. No grave can hold my body down. So Sherdon never make homeless. Hold him down. Sherdon never make homeless. Hold him down. And that is what I think, what I believe catch Colaz Smith eyes. I believe that's what catch Colaz Smith mind, because him, Colaz Smith, see a man who is homeless, need help, want help, but yet still that man is fighting for survival. That man is working hard. Nah, stop work hard to gain money, to gain a livelihood, to live a good life, but yet still is homeless. I believe that's what Colaz Smith see in Sherdon and want and willing to help him. Because guys, at the end of the day, when you see a homeless man and you hand him some money and he take that money and immediately run to start a business, that alone tell you that that alone should tell you that this is not no normal homeless man. Am I wrong? Maybe. Am I right? Hell yes. Because at the end of the day, Colaz Smith could have looked left and don't even pay Sherdon any mind. However, every time Colaz go up there to feed the people, Sherdon is jumping around helping. Sherdon is jumping around helping. Sherdon went to Colaz with the idea to ask him for a job. Sherdon was greeted with some money. And he did not take the money and run off and go buy drugs or go. He went and purchased something to invest. He take that little money that he get to invest. So many of you may asking why Colaz help him and not helping others. Many of you may be looking at, oh, Colaz could have helped that man there, but he not help that man there, him a help homeless man. The homeless man is showing the respect that many of the people that Colaz been helping didn't even show him. So what Sherdon is doing is, Sherdon is being Sherdon. Whether if him a put on a face or whatsoever him a do, he's doing it perfectly. He's showing respect, he's showing love, he's showing understanding, and most of all, he's showing that he have the capability that if he should get a lot of money, he knows what he want. And when you find a young man, when you find a man these days that is going to show you that respect, going to show you that I am homeless, but I know what I want, then you have to put your hands and heart together and help that man. That's why I believe and that's why I believe to myself that people need to at least look at Colaz Smith and say, you know, me no like him, but him a do a good thing. Stop worrying, because the thing is, the only thing people is worrying about with Colaz Smith and can talk about is just his personal life, which have nothing to do with us. The man help people where some of us out here would never help Sherdon. Some of us out here would never give Sherdon not even a piece of food to eat. If some of us out here, if we see Sherdon on the corner begging money, we would not give him $1. Remember that. Many of us out here, we would not give Sherdon $1 if we see him on the corner a beg. Some of us out here, if we saw a mugshot of Sherdon, we would say, yes, a workless boy. But yet still, some of us out here are bash Colaz because of Colaz's personal life. You know what? Me just like to use the word us. You know, me just like to use that word us and we. You know? Because when you know me now bash Colaz for nothing at all. If him do something wrong, we will say something about it. Right now, a perfect. Him now do nothing that's wrong. In personal business, I feel him. If him no want kiss who he want, I feel him business that. Whatsoever him want do, that a feel business. Me not worry about no man private part. Me not have no time to worry about where I'm gonna do with him private part and them thing there, because that is what me now go worry about. Where I put it from where he now put it. Me me not worry about nobody private area. Where they want to do with it, I feed them business. Right now, we're talking about Sherdon and how me say Colaz helping Sherdon. Colaz, you do a good job, you. Colaz subscribers, you know, do a very good job. Because at the end of the day, Colaz could have not looked on Sherdon, none at all. Because look, hey, hold on. Colaz get a lot of beating, you know. Colaz help, look how Colaz help him friend when he grew up with. And like him grew up young with him, you know. Colaz go live a town and know Knife Ninja friends and families. And look how Colaz bring him on the team and say, go on, eat food you out. And look, Knife Ninja turn around and want Colaz to pay rent. And I use that word. You know? And say Colaz to come down and all kind of things, but at the same time, Sherdon, I get the same help when Knife Ninja get. The same help when Knife Ninja get, Sherdon I get. And Sherdon is making use of his help that he's getting from Colaz Smith by the first money him get out of Colaz Smith, and which whether if you don't want to say a Colaz Smith money or no Colaz Smith money, it come through Colaz because of Colaz. So Colaz Smith give him the money. And you know, to be honest with you, you know, guys, if I can be as honest as I can be and really serious about what I say, which me always serious about what I say, it take guts. If you take money give a man, yeah, it take guts to take a money give a man. And it also take guts, a lot of guts, to get some money from a man and take that money go buy things for selling. It take guts in a this time. It take guts, you take the money go buy things for sell, for start your little business. It takes a lot of guts for a man do that. To be honest with you, me would have do that because I saw me stay. But a homeless man get some money in him hand and him take that money and turn it into an investment. Me no run Colaz for help him. Me no run Colaz for buy him bed. Me no run Colaz for do nothing. But listen me good now. Hello? Stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. Sherdon! Mr. Sherdon! Come here. Before me go any further, you see, Sherdon, I want to say something to you, see? And I want to talk to you really good. You see, if Colaz are going to help you, yeah? And you have any little hanky-panky in your head or any little hanky-panky in your brains, me I beg you, please, cut it out. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even talk about it. Don't even start it, brother. Please, me I beg you. Because them a kind of help no come every time, you know. Because remember, you're there out on the road there for a while and nothing now go on, and here comes Colaz, fix up, I fix you up. So, Sherdon, me I beg you, my brother, do not use this and show nothing in a Colaz Smith face, my brother. Just take this, what you see happen to you, and just ride with it and make yourself become a man out of it. Me I beg you, please, sir. I am begging you, please. Guys, me there so too long. Yeah, man, me I beg you, please, just all you need to do is just sit back, sit down, help yourself, guide yourself, and just strive. Everything where Colaz I do for you, me want you to just realize, say, God is good. God is the greatest. Yeah? And so what you fi do and what you can do is work on what you're getting and just use what you're getting and just strive to the highest mountain, Mount Kilimanjaro. Yeah. Anyway, my people, you know, I soon come back, you know. I soon come back. Yes, man. So what me I say is this, Sir Sherdon, me want you to do your thing, and what me want you to do is, Sherdon, me don't know if you get, I think you get the new phone. What me want you to do is, me want you to start a YouTube channel, and me I ask, Colaz, hear what me I say? But the thing is, you're gonna need an account. Yeah, you're gonna need a bank account for YouTube send the money. Yeah, so, but me think, would I like to know, say, Sherdon, you have a YouTube channel, and you do your YouTube vlogging, and you talk to us, and you talk to the people, and you make yourself be known. Let people know where you're at and how people can help you, because we all need help. We all need help. But me, I gotta tell you something, Sherdon. You is, hey, me tell you something. A lot of us, you notice me, I use us. A lot of us supposed to learn from Sherdon. Yeah, man. A lot of us. And me wish and pray and hope that many people is looking at Sherdon as a breath of fresh air. Me hope a lot of people are learn from Sherdon in a way that you all never would think, because Sherdon is a homeless youth, a homeless man who no have no money and just live on the street. Nobody know which part him live or sleep. Now Sherdon is having a bed, a bicycle, and Sherdon, do your business, so at some point in time you can rent a little place. So that means you can able to prosper. Because it looked to me like, when me listen to you and when me look at you, me realize you have your head on your body. The way you talk. The way you talk with respect. You talk with punctuality. You talk with decency. You talk with decency. You talk with understanding. You talk with acknowledgement. So, you big word, man. Hey, you big word. Yeah, man. You. Me respect you. And Colaz, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself. But guys, I have something that I really want to ask you all. I sit down and I think of something, and I want you all to help me with it. However, I haven't fixed it up yet. I haven't set it up and figure out what is the best way to get it done. So as soon as I figure out the best way to get it done and the best way to have it put, then I'll make a video towards it, and hopefully we can get it done together. Because, you know, Jamaica hot, you know. Jamaica hot. Very, very hot. So, there's something I come up with and I think about it, and I think it would be a very good thing to do. It's not a lot, but I think it would be a very good thing to do. Hopefully in my next video I can talk about it, and hopefully I'll get some help with it. So guys, I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.